our grammar class. Previously, we discussed about the various parts of speech in English grammar. Among that, the first one is noun. Now, I would like to introduce about this noun. Noun, which consists of 6 parts. The one is common noun, and the second one is proper noun, and the third one is collective noun, fourth one is abstract noun, fifth one is countable noun, and the last and final one is uncountable noun. Thank you.